Hi guys, if you also find full size, full speed chainsaws a little bit intimidating, but you still want to have something really efficient to cut some stuff in your backyard, then I have something super interesting for you. Here I have a small, or I would say rather intermediate sized chainsaw with a lot of features. It has the option to attach a standard Dewalt battery. We have also some good safety features with these double buttons. The cutting length is 6 inches, so that's still quite a lot. And we have a semi-automatic lubrication system. Comes with decent protection on top, also good possibilities to clean, maintain, especially also with this lid here. Just watch this thing, how easy it is to open, and then we have full access to everything. Best thing I've ever seen so far. Comes also with very good ventilation, is not too heavy, has a really good solid hold, good grip. So it has really everything what we can expect from a good modern solid mini chainsaw, and even something more, some super interesting feature which I'm going to show you during this video, where I'm also going to show you what you get overall. So make sure that you stay tuned till the very end of the video. And so here we have it, comes in this very helpful box. Easy to store, easy to transport, and also easy to open. So we have really everything here. Comes in with this quick user guide. Quite some description here, but I would say it's not too much, just about what we need. We have even some pictures, and so here's the device, and so we can see it's really ready to be used. Everything installed, and we get even a replacement saw chain. Also the tools are included, and we get even a pair of gloves. Not very large ones, but I would say they can easily fit for about medium size hands. And so here we have it, makes a really good solid impression. Also the saw chain itself, and what we notice here is that it's also a very small size of a saw chain. I think a very good choice if you're just cutting some small stuff in your backyard and not planning to cut full size trees. Here on top we have the flexible protection. What we see also the automatic or semi-automatic lubrication system, so we can easily fill the oil here inside, close it again, and so if needed we can pump some oil here inside to check. Really easy to open, easy to clean. Yeah, we have really full access to everything if you have to do some maintenance or replace the saw chain. But the good thing, it comes in perfect condition, ready to use already from the factory. That's the awesome thing. So I close this here again, just push it down, and again fits perfectly for standard Dewalt batteries. Has safe hold, but still easy to remove after that. Charge it, use it again. And here we have the safety mechanism. So when we just push here, nothing is going to happen. We really have to push this safety button in first here, and only after pushing here inside and pulling the trigger we can start the chainsaw. Yeah, you heard that. What's really nice here, something which I really love, that it's not starting at full speed. I mean, it's definitely not a variable speed chainsaw, but it doesn't start at full speed. Starts some kind of slow and then speeds up over time. This is something which I really love, because I'm definitely not a lumberjack. I'm always a little bit hesitating to use a chainsaw, and with this mechanism, this is definitely much more comfortable for me, and I guess for most of the people. And so I've used it already for the first time, and it was absolutely awesome. I've been able to cut very fast through a pretty thick branch. Diameter of the branch was around 5 inches, and it was absolutely no problem, especially because we have this automatic adjusting protection. And after that I've been cleaning it with a duster, and so I've been able to remove already almost all the chippings. but I think after first usage it's the perfect time to adjust. And to adjust the length of the chain is super easy, because we have an automatic spring built in here. So we have to just untighten this a little bit, make sure that it's not popping out. And so when we have the loose nut here, it will automatically tighten the saw chain, and so we can tighten this nut here again, and we are ready to go. But of course, when you want to replace the saw chain, then you have to fully remove it. Now you can see how this works. So we can lift this up and then lift the chain holder a little bit up and remove the saw chain. So it can be easily replaced here. Just make sure that when you apply the new one, that it's going in the perfect direction. Watch how it looks now. So it should look the same after that. What we also can see is the lubrication system here. Maybe you can see the oil a little bit. There's a small hole, and when you pump here, there's a little bit of oil pumped pretty much directly into the chain. That's exactly what we want. And so you can see it's a pretty large spring. So when you get the chainsaw first, it will be like that. And after that, you can bring it here to the front, which can extend quite a lot. So you can see we have really a lot of space to extend it. And to put the new chain back is also not difficult. We align it down here. Don't try to align it and then push it. It won't work. It's not long enough, especially not at the beginning, maybe later. And so what we do, we align it around this wheel, something like that. And then you take a screwdriver, go underneath and push the bolt to the right side till you see it here, and then push everything down. Of course, a little bit difficult behind the camera. Okay, so here we go. You can see it nicely aligned. And now we push down the holder. So you can see it's holding already without the nut, but of course now we need the nut to secure it again. So definitely no big deal. So we have it back fully tight. And then of course what's left to know is the sharpening process. What's awesome that we get all these small round files, because sometimes it's difficult to find the right size. So we have the perfect size already here. As far as I can see, we don't have double blade cutting here, just simple style makes it almost easier to sharpen. And so we go here inside. You can see, for example, here, just make sure that you follow the direction of this cutting blade, and then you can sharpen it easy. This one goes to the other direction like that. And so you can see they alternate here, this one like that, next one like that. This one to the back again, and so on and so on. So we definitely have a full set, not only for cutting but also for the maintenance. We have the nice box. The only thing apart from this set what you need is a Dewalt standard battery. By the way, this has enough space also for a large battery. A lot of people have that already. And if not, it's definitely worth to invest into that, because there are so many tools for Dewalt. So definitely full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.